Welcome back, students of class 3 to your science class. You know that we are doing chapter number 4, soil. So I have written on the board chapter number 4, soil. In our previous class, we are discussing some of the question answer from the exercise. We have started short answer question, that is section E, from page number 27 of the same chapter, chapter number 4. So we have done question number 1 and 2 from section E. That is, question 1 is what is humus? We have already done. Number 2, why is loamy soil good for growing plants? This also we have also done. So today we will start from number 3. See here. Let me read out the question first. Then I will write on the board. Number 3. Tarun and Ajay are playing in a field. Tarun places stones all over the burrows and tunnels in the soil just for fun. Ajay notices it and removes all the stones. So your question is, we'll solve only question number A. We'll do that. Question number A means 3A only. B is value corner. We will not do that one. So question number A is, name any two animals that live inside the soil. So let me begin here. We are doing section E, short answer question. Okay. We are doing number 3A. Question is, name any two animals that live inside the soil. Name any two animals that live inside the soil. So your answer is two animals that live inside the soil are earthworm and snail. So two animals that live inside the soil are earthworm and snail. Okay. So number B is value corner. We will not do that. I can discuss it. What value is shown by Ajay? See, Tarun places the stone over the burrows. Who digs the burrows? Rabbit. You can also write rabbit also is an example of an animal that lives inside the soil. So you can write also rabbit. So Tarun places stones all over the burrows and the tunnels for fun. But Ajay notices it and removes all the stones. So this is a very good habit of Ajay. He is just helping the animals. He is seeing their tunnels or the burrows, and he is removing the stones. So it is his good behavior, also good manners he is showing. Okay. Then we will move to question number 4 now. Question number 4 is, why is soil important? Why is soil important? Let me write that one. Question number 4 now. Why is soil important? Why is soil important? So your answer is soil is very important for all life forms. Soil is very important for all life forms living on the earth. Okay, and then I will add some points also. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Plants grow in soil. Plants grow in soil. Roots of plants get water and minerals from the soil. Roots of plants get water and minerals from the soil. Small animals like insects and earthworms small animals like insects and earthworms live in the soil. So I will repeat the answer what I have written here. Why is soil important? Soil is very important for all life forms living on the earth. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Plants grow in soil. Roots of plants get water and minerals from the soil. Small animals like insects and earthworms live in the soil. So today up to this question means question 3 and 4 today. So in the next class we will solve next question from section E, that is short answer question. For time being, it's goodbye to all of you.